Hi, it's real estate broker Eric Hillan here with your market update for August 2016. Hey, typically when I do these videos, I'm talking to buyers, I'm talking to sellers, and giving them an update of what's going on in the area. But this video in particular is for renters. Renters, if you're out there and you want to own a home, definitely reach out to us. What we're talking about this month is rent control. Rent control is when the city or a local agency tells the landlord what they can charge and they cap them out and how much they can charge for a unit in a particular neighborhood. Well, if you're in the Sacramento or San Diego area, we don't have rent control. And so landlords are going to charge whatever is legally possible to make sure they get the most out of their properties. That's good for them, but it's bad for you. So if you're a renter and you're looking to purchase a home, we are introducing a new service called Kaizen Coaching. We will take you step by step to get you from where you're at to where you want to be, which is becoming a homeowner. We will walk you through the steps. We will provide you with the advice. We have experts in the field who are going to provide their expertise and their time to help you no matter where you're at in the process. So if you're a renter, you're looking to purchase a home, reach out to us. If you already own a home, but you know somebody who wants to purchase a home and they're currently renting, share this video, share it on your social media, share the email, get it out to those people and help them become homeowners. Look, rents are going to continue to go up. Incomes aren't guaranteed to go up, but in Sacramento, the rents are already up 10% year over year, and they expect another 8.8 for the rest of the year. San Diego, same thing, up 6% already, and they're expecting another 5.5 for the rest of the year. So rents are definitely going up. So if you want rent control in Sacramento or San Diego, truly the only way to control your monthly payment is to have a monthly mortgage on a fixed rate, and you pay that over the life of 30 years should you choose. So if you want rent control in Sacramento and San Diego, reach out to us because we're going to help you buy a home. Visit KaizenCoaching.com, KaizenCoaching.com, and sign up today. Until next time, make it a great day.